I know a lot of you might have participated in this year's H1B lottery, and unfortunately, you might not be selected. Some of you may be wondering whether there will be a third round of selection. To be honest, personally, I don't think so, but I can be wrong. Actually, I guessed wrong about the second round, because I thought there won't be a second round in our last webinar, right? Because I felt like USCIS selected enough beneficiaries this year. They actually selected, let me see if I have the number. They selected like about almost like more than 114,000 beneficiaries in the first round. As we know, this year it's beneficiary centric, and the annual quota with the regular plus the master would be 85,000. And in the first round, they selected 114,000. So that's way more than the annual quota allows. That's why I myself, with a lot of other colleagues, we didn't expect another round of selection this year. However, USCIS did do a second round. And in the second round, they selected another 13,000 in the second round, like beneficiaries. So with that extra selection, I feel like there should be enough to fill the cap, right? So I really do not expect a third round. But again, I can be wrong. It really depends on how many out of those 13,000 selected proceed to filing. From our own cases, to be honest, I do see quite a lot of the selected petitions did not move to filing for all kinds of reasons. Some of those who were selected in the second round probably had already left the company by the time they were selected. So the company decided not to move forward. So that's one reason I expect a lot of those selected beneficiaries probably won't have a filing to be done, even they're selected. So it really depends on whether that's very common, like how common that is among all the selected in the second round. So, but even there is a third round, that won't be a very large number, because in the second round, it's 13,000 more, right? It's not a lot of selection. So if there's a third round, probably would be about the same number or even maybe fewer. So I would say at this point, if not selected, probably the chance is very low. The beneficiary will be selected even there is a third round, just statistically speaking.